Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're putting two mini drones head-to-head in a battle of the skies. In the left corner, we have the RADCLO mini drone, and in the right corner, the ATTOP drone. Who will soar to victory? Let's find out. First up, let's talk cameras. The RADCLO mini drone comes with a 1080p HD 90 degrees adjustable FPV camera. It's like having a mini James Cameron attached to your drone. Perfect for capturing those "I'm totally a professional" shots. Reviewers have praised its camera quality, especially for the price range. On the other hand, the ATTOP drone boasts a 1080p UHD camera with a 120 degrees field of view. That's wider than my aunt's opinion on pineapple pizza. More range means more epic shots. However, some users have experienced malfunctions with the camera. So, if you want to capture your neighbor's backyard without them knowing, just kidding, don't do that, the ATTOP drone's got you covered. Now, let's talk battery life. The RADCLO mini drone comes with two 800 mAh batteries, giving you 22 minutes of flight time. That's enough time to fly it, crash it, and then fly it again. Reviewers appreciate the extra battery and quick charging time. But hold on to your propellers, folks. The ATTOP drone comes with not one, not two, but three 1,100 mAh batteries, providing a whopping 30 minutes of flight time. That's practically a Netflix episode. However, some users found the battery life to be inconsistent. So if you're planning to use your drone for a mid-air dance-off, the ATTOP drone will keep you grooving longer. Ease of use is next. The RADCLO mini drone has one key takeoff, landing, and altitude hold. Even your tech-challenged uncle who still uses a flip phone could fly this thing. Users have found it easy to control, although it can be tricky in the wind. Meanwhile, the ATTOP drone also offers one key return, altitude hold, and even voice control. Yes, you can talk to it, just don't ask it to do your taxes. However, some users reported issues with pairing and calibration. If you want a drone that listens better than your kids, the ATTOP drone is your new best friend. Let's get into the bells and whistles. The RADCLO mini drone has high-speed rotation, circle fly, 3D flips, and gesture control. It's like the Cirque du Soleil of drones. Reviewers love these features, especially for the price. The ATTOP drone, not to be outdone, offers route drawing, VR compatibility, and a 360 degrees flip. It's like having a tiny flying amusement park in your hands. However, some users have faced issues with defective batteries and propellers. So if you're looking for a drone that can do everything but make you breakfast, both of these are solid choices. Finally, let's talk money. The RADCLO mini drone is priced at a wallet-friendly $62. It's practically a steal. Just don't actually steal it. Reviewers find it worth the price, offering good value for money. The ATTOP drone, on the other hand, is a bit pricier at $109. But remember, you get what you pay for. Extra batteries, more features, and the ability to impress your friends. However, some users have experienced malfunctions, which could affect its long-term value. So if you're on a budget, RADCLO might be your go-to. But if you're looking to splurge a bit, ATTOP gives you more bang for your buck. Reviewers have generally found the RADCLO mini drone to be a reliable and affordable option, especially for beginners and indoor use. It's durable and user-friendly, making it a hit with families. On the other hand, the ATTOP drone offers more advanced features and longer battery life, but has had some issues with malfunctions and defective parts. The customer service for ATTOP has been responsive, which is a plus. That's a wrap on today's drone showdown. Whether you go for the RADCLO mini drone or the ATTOP drone, you're in for some high-flying fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep flying high and shopping smart.